In this video, I'll show you 2 ways to turn off Vanish Mode on Instagram. First, let me quickly explain what Vanish Mode is. It is also known as disappearing messages. When it is turned on, messages automatically disappear after the other person sees them. Either you turned it on or the other person did. Either way, here's how to turn it off. The first way is to go to that person's chat. Once you are inside the chat, tap on their profile photo or name at the top of the screen. This will open up their profile settings for that conversation. Scroll down and you will see an option called Disappearing Messages. Tap on it and set it to off. That is the first way done. The second way is even faster. Just open the chat where Vanish Mode is active. You will notice the screen is black, which means Vanish Mode is on. All you have to do is swipe up inside the chat. You will see a message that says, "Swipe up to turn off disappearing messages." Go ahead and swipe up and Vanish Mode will be turned off instantly. The screen will go back to normal straight away. So to recap, you can either go into the chat settings and turn off disappearing messages from there, or you can simply swipe up inside the chat. Both methods work perfectly and take less than 10 seconds. That is how you do it.